Alright guys, so it's the next day. I'm going to continue with the soldering job of the wires for the LS standalone wire harness. I have just a handful of wires that I still need to do, but hopefully it goes by quick. Alright guys, so you probably can't hear me. This GoPro's freaking microphone kind of sucks, and it's inside its water case. So, but I have finished with all these wires. All that I have left are my transmission wires, which are right here, but I won't deal with those until I figure out how much I'm gonna need off of the tranny. But so I got every single wire that's gonna go back to the PCM. Here are my O2 sensors, one for each side. I left this one kind of long, but if I have to, I'll just cut it later on and resolder it. Same thing with this one. Here's all my pink wires. Now I'm trying to figure out where exactly to put them on my truck. So I'm kind of envisioning, you know, the firewalls right here. I don't know if I want the wires to come out low and then come up to the fuse block, or if I want them up here, come straight out onto the fuse block. But I'll decide that tomorrow. I'm kind of done for today. I gotta go inside and have some dinner, so we'll deal with that tomorrow. Alright guys. A couple days later, so I have decided to go ahead and mount my fuse block inside the cab. So I don't know if you guys remember, well, you guys obviously will remember, but I'm gonna have I was gonna go and put it right directly over the firewall, but I decided that will kind of look a little bit weird. And then if I end up going with my turbo setup and my turbo's here, you know, I don't want any of that getting too much heat. So I went ahead and I extended these cables down. So I got my 202 sensors, my coils, my MAF, my injectors. What else do I have? O2 sensors, power wires. So I'm pretty much to the next stage where I need to wire everything in. And then here's some of my other wires, like check engine light, tack, what is that? Fan, fuel pump relay. Then I got my fans over here. So yeah, everything's gonna be mounted inside now, and now I'm just getting ready. Gotta go camping, get out of the city. So we're getting the trailer ready. So I'm gonna probably do a video on the bearings, greasing them, and also I'm gonna mount my axe and a shovel to the side of the trailer. So that's where I'm at. Alright guys, just giving you guys a little update. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.